Hey guys, it's Max here. Today's video is going to be a sneak peek at the newest lineup of batteries that we're offering here at Shop Solar Kits called Mammoth RE. This is actually a test model right here. You can see it's got no logo on it, and this current unit is fully dead. I've been putting it through the ringer for weeks now. Today's video is going to be a high-level look at the Mammoth Plus right here. We're going to talk about the size, the weight, the specs, and who can take advantage of a battery like this. Super excited for you to get introduced to the newest lineup of batteries offered at shopsolarkits.com, the Mammoth RE lineup of lithium iron phosphate batteries. The first thing you're going to notice about the Mammoth is its form factor. It's a single standalone unit and there's caster wheels on the bottom. This is one of our favorite form factors of batteries because it's so easy to move around. I can move it around very easily here with one hand. This battery isn't light either. This is around 220 pounds or so. From the ground to the very top is around 32 inches high, 21 inches wide, and around 9.5 inches thick. But because of its design, its weight distribution, and its really nice caster wheels, I can take one hand really and move this around without issue. This testing model here is 9.2 kilowatt hours. I believe the final production unit is 9.6 kilowatt hours, around 190 amp hours at 48 volts. So this is a massive, super powerful lithium iron phosphate battery. Because it's lithium iron phosphate, you're guaranteed anywhere from 4,000 to 8,000 life cycles, depending on how you use it. So for most people, depending on how they size their system, this should last them anywhere from 10 to 20 plus years. Another thing that we absolutely love about the Mammoth RE lineup of batteries is this right here. This is an SB175 connector. The reason we love this so much is its simplicity. This makes it easy for beginners all the way to professionals to take advantage of a battery like this. You simply plug in the SB175, your other end are ring terminals, you hook this up to your inverter or your bus bar, and you're off to the races. It's beginner friendly, dead simple, and it's by far the easiest way, we think, to connect batteries into your system. So as it stands right now, Mammoth RE offers two different versions of their battery. They have the Mammoth Plus right here, which is 9.6 kilowatt hours, and they've got the Mammoth Pro, which is 23.5 kilowatt hours. The Mammoth Pro is the same form factor as well, just bigger obviously. And when I get one into the lab, I'll also demonstrate that beside the Plus here so we can see the size difference. Both the Plus and the Pro, you can parallel up to 8 batteries into your system. What that means is you have a lot of room to grow. It's very typical for people to pick up 1 or 2 of these batteries, knowing that they can add 6 or 7 batteries into their system and grow as their needs increase. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out at any time. I'm also going to throw some links in the description if you want to learn more about these specific batteries.